Today we will discuss about chapter 2, that is polynomial. So let us start. First of all, what do you mean by a variable quantity? In mathematics there are two types of quantity. One is variable and another is constant. Now what is the meaning of a variable quantity? A variable quantity is a quantity which can change its value. It is represented by alphabets. Usually x, y, z, etc. These are represented to show a variable. Variable means any quantity that can take any value or it can change the value. For example, x can take value 1, 2, 0 or any number. Constant. A constant is a mathematical quantity which cannot change its value. For example, 2. इसकी value 2 ही रहेगी fix. It cannot change its value. 3, pi, any real number is a constant value because it cannot change its value. This is also called sometimes scalar. So this is about variable and constant. Variable जो अपनी value को change कर सकते हैं according to the situation or condition, they can assume more than one value. And constant which cannot change its value, for example 2, 3, any real number, these are also called scalars. So after variable and constant, let us understand the concept of terms. What do you mean by a term? Suppose you take a variable, say x, and you multiply it by a constant value, say 4x, 4. So it becomes 4x, 4 multiplied by x is become 4x. Now 4x is a term. So this is basically a term. Term means whenever you multiply a constant value by some variable quantity, it becomes a term. It is not necessary that you take variable x. Suppose you take variable x square and multiply by 3, it becomes a term also. Similarly, if you have a variable xy, it is also a term. See, here the constant is 1. If no constant is mentioned, then it is understood that it is multiplied by 1. Now, the concept of terms means you understand what is individual term. एक term क्या होती है वो आपको समझ में आ गया. Now, terms का concept क्या है? By plus or minus, terms are separated. See, this is 2x, one term, y, another term. If I join this term by a plus or minus symbol, then there are two terms. So 2x plus y is a combination of two terms. Another example, 2x square minus 3x plus 1. This is a combination of three terms, where this is one term, minus 3x is second term, and this one is third term. So if I separate these terms, so 2x square is one term, minus 3x is second term, and third is plus 1. These three terms are connected by a plus symbol. So 2x square plus minus 3x plus 1. So if you open it, 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now after terms, let us define algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So what is algebraic expression? In mathematics, we say, first of all, let us talk about expression. What do you mean by an expression? Suppose we have the sum of two numbers is 7. This is a one statement. Second, sum of 5 and 4. So if you write this mathematically, it becomes sum of 5 and 4 becomes, this becomes 5 plus 4. This is what? This is an expression. This is an expression. एक्सप्रेशन का मतलब कुछ वर्डिंग को मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स देना इज कॉल्ड एन एक्सप्रेशन। एक इंग्लिश में किसी स्टेटमेंट को आप अगर मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करते हो दैट इज कॉल्ड एन एक्सप्रेशन इन मैथमेटिक्स। So 5 plus 4. This is the sum of 5 and 4. Now, what about this? The sum of two numbers is 7. Again, this is a statement. How you will express this in mathematics? To express this, we need to take. See, it is written here. The sum of two numbers is 7. So we don't know what are the numbers. Whenever you don't know about the quantity, you take it a variable quantity. So let us choose the number. Let us take the number x and y. These are variable. These are also known as unknowns, which is represented by them letters. So sum means the addition. So x plus y means the sum of two numbers. So sum of two numbers is an expression which is this expression x plus y. Is means what? It represents a equality sign equals to 7. So now this becomes a mathematical equation. So mathematical equations are formed by equating the expressions. Left hand side is an expression, right hand side is also an expression, and there is an equality sign which shows that this is an equation. So we have different types of expression. This is a variable expression, 7 is a constant expression, 5 plus 4 is a constant or numerical expression. So expression means some statement which can be written in mathematical form that gives some meaning is an expression. So what about algebraic expressions? Algebraic expressions are nothing but in algebra we use variables x, y, z, and we also know about scalars or constants. So and we also know the concept of terms. So using terms in which we use variables and scalars, so we use terms to represent any algebraic expression. See how? 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So here there are three terms in which we have used a variable x, some scalars are constant, 2 minus 3 5, and there are three terms. So we have used the terms in which we use variable and expression, so all they become an algebraic expression. It can contain any number of terms. For example, 2x plus 1, 5y minus 3, 4x, 2r, 3t minus 4, 2x cube minus y square plus 1. It can contain any number of variables, it can contain any constant, and it can contain any number of terms. So all these are algebraic expressions. They involve variables, constants or called scalars, and their terms are separated by plus or minus. So this is basically an algebraic expression. Now, moving to the polynomial concept. What is a polynomial? So far we have understood what the meaning of a variable which can take its value, scalar or constant. After that we define the term. We understand the concept of terms, how they are separated with plus or minus, and then algebraic expression. Now we move to the polynomial. Now what is a polynomial? In 9th class, the definition of polynomial is like this. A polynomial is an algebraic expression. So we understood the algebraic expression. A polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the powers of variable, we can use one variable or more than one variable. So that's why I have put here in inverted comma s. That means the variable can be one or more than one. So a polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the power of variables are in whole numbers. यहां पर बुक में आपको नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर मिलेगा बाय डेफिनेशन, बट देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन यूजिंग होल नंबर्स. होल नंबर और नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर मींस द सेम थिंग. दे इंक्लूड 0 1 2 3 4 एंड सो ऑन, these type of numbers. So this is the definition of polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the power of variables are in whole number. For example, 2x plus 1. This is a polynomial. It is an algebraic expression. It contains variable, constant. The power of variable. Can you identify the variable? Yes, the alphabet term, that is x, is variable here. What is the power of x? Its power is 1 and 1 is a whole number. So power of variable must be in whole numbers. And how many terms are there in this polynomial? There are 2 terms in this polynomial. The terms are 2x and 1. They are connected by a plus symbol. So this is the polynomial. Another example, 4y minus 3. This is another polynomial containing 2 terms. This is invariable y. 2xy plus x minus y plus 3. This is again a polynomial having 4 terms. First term is containing 2 variable x and y. Second term is x, then minus y and plus 3. This is a polynomial. 2x square plus 3. This is also a polynomial containing 2 terms. In first term, the power of variable is 2. Now, these are not polynomials. These are not polynomials. So, let us take some example which are not polynomials. 2x plus 1 over x. This is not a polynomial. Reason why it is not a polynomial. If you write it 2x then plus, 1 by x raised power 1 can be written as x raised power minus 1. इसको जब ऊपर लिखेंगे तो x power minus 1 हो जाएगा. Now see, the variable power is minus 1. And we have clearly mentioned that in this definition of polynomial, the variable should occur in whole number. But here it is minus 1. So this is not a polynomial because minus 1 is not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. Again, you take an example. Suppose root x plus 2. Here you see the under root sign. Under root means x raised power 1 by 2 plus 2. Again there is a 1 by 2, which means 1 by 2 power, which means this is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial. After this, what is the notation of a polynomial? Notation of polynomial. Generally we denote a polynomial by p, means polynomial. If it is in variable x, so we write the expression in which it is written. So it is written in x, suppose, so we write it here x. So it means polynomial of x. Suppose the polynomial is 2x plus 3 and we write here equal to sign. This is not an equation. First of all, this is not an equation. This is the polynomial 2x plus 3 and we know that the polynomial is a expression. It is an expression. If you go by the term polynomial, if you separate it, poly means many and nomial means terms, or you can say parts. And we understand the concept of terms. They are separated by plus or minus. If you take individual term, connect them by plus or minus, they become terms. So any expression which contains many terms, which has many parts, is known as a polynomial. That parts include some constant value, some variable thing with connected with plus or minus, but the must condition is the power of variable should be in whole number. So polynomial means an expression that contains many terms or parts. So we have written the expression by a symbol px. This is the symbol or notation for representing the expression. So p of x is 2x plus 3. This is not an equation. You can also mention here 3 equality sign. There is no problem. This symbol is used for identical equal. Okay. Another example. Suppose we write a polynomial in G. So we use p of y in y. So use 2y square plus 3y minus 1. So this is another polynomial in variable y. Likewise, we have another polynomial px equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 5, etc. So these are some types of polynomial and their notation. After this, classification of polynomial, or you can say types of polynomial. So polynomial can be categorized into 2 types. First is on the basis of degree. On the basis of degree. Second is on the basis of terms. So on the basis of degree, first of all let us define degree. What do you mean by degree of a polynomial? Degree is simply the highest power the highest power, or you can say index, exponent, the highest power of variable occurs in the polynomial. So the highest power of variable that occurs in polynomial is known as its degree. Example, x square plus 3. What is the degree of this polynomial? It is 2 here, because the highest power is 2. Another example, take x cube plus x minus 1. It is another polynomial. The degree of this polynomial is 3, because the highest power of variable is 3. Another example, x square plus y5 minus 3. So here there are two variables, no problem. You see the highest power of variable, it is y, whose power is 5. So the degree is 5. Okay. On the basis of degree. So when the degree, d means degree of the polynomial is 0, then such a polynomial is named as constant polynomial. ऐसे polynomial को constant polynomial कहते हैं. Second is when d equals to 1, such a polynomial whose degree is 1 is known as linear polynomial. Linear means that polynomial whose degree is 1, 2 degree. ऐसे polynomial को quadratic polynomial कहते हैं, who has degree 2. 3. Such a polynomial is known as cubic polynomial, 4 degree. Such a polynomial is known as bioquadratic polynomial. And after this, we call generally n degree polynomial. If a polynomial having 10 degrees, we call it a 10 degree polynomial. If a polynomial have 5 degrees, we call a 5 degree polynomial. So in general, we have n degree polynomial. Definitely this n can take any natural number value, or you can say whole number value, on the basis of terms. So we understand the concept of terms. How many terms are there? 2 terms, 3 terms, 3 terms. Terms are separated by plus or minus. So on the basis of terms, a polynomial can contain one term. So if it contains one term, it's called monomial. When it contains one term, we call it monomial. Mono means one. When it contains two terms, we call it binomial. Monomial is also a polynomial. It's just a special type of polynomial that contains only one term. Again, a polynomial that contains two terms is called a binomial. 3 terms वाले को trinomial कहते हैं. And after this, we have 4 term polynomial, 5 term, and so on. So we don't generalize it after 3. We have some special names on the basis of terms. Each and every one is a polynomial. This polynomial with one term is called monomial, binomial, trinomial. कुछ books बताती हैं कि after this we call it polynomial more than 3 terms. These are also polynomial. And after 3 terms, this is also a polynomial. Polynomial means many terms expression. Many means one or more. So this is about degree and terms of the polynomial. So in next lecture we will cover exercise 2.1.